Think of it as your baby's first gym session, but just at home. Tummy time is such a simple exercise with huge results. Let's dive in. Hey parents, welcome back to Sansefys. My name is Julie and I'm a pediatric physiotherapist with almost 10 years of experience. If you're a new parent, you probably have heard the phrase tummy time. But what exactly is tummy time, when to start it, and why is it so important for your baby's development? Stick with me until the end. I will not only explain how to and benefits, I will also share practical tips, common mistakes to avoid, and answer the most common questions about tummy time. What is tummy time? Tummy time simply means to put your baby on the stomach while they're awake and supervised. It's that easy. Or is it? It might look like fun playtime, but it's actually a crucial exercise for your baby to help them build confidence, strength, coordination, and prepare them for exciting milestones ahead. Why tummy time matters. Babies spend a lot of time on their backs, especially for safe sleeping. Without tummy time, your baby doesn't build strength and the skills that they need to reach the milestones. Tummy time will help your baby strengthen neck, shoulders, back, and arms, and even the front side. It also prevents flatness on the back of the head, and it helps your baby to learn how to move. It's not just physical, it also helps your baby boost their brain and sensory development. When to start tummy time? Did you know that the best time to start tummy time is actually day 1, all the way from the beginning? With newborns, just have them lying here on your chest for a minute or 2. When your baby gets older and stronger, you can move to the floor using a yoga mat or a blanket to train on. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. How much tummy time is enough? So this is a question that I get asked a lot in the clinic. How much tummy time and how often? I normally say 3 to 5 minutes times the amount of weeks the baby is. So 10 weeks will be 30 to 50 minutes per day spread out during the day. So with newborns, you just start with a few minutes at a time, several times a day. There's many ways to do it. It can be on your chest, on your legs, on your arm, just to do something different and to have some skin-to-skin contact at the same time. At 3 months old, I would aim for around 60 minutes per day spread out during the whole day. For 6 months old, I would go for around 1 to 1.5 hours during the day, spread out during the day, and of course with a lot of breaks. The key to tummy time is consistency, not perfection. Small bits at a time will add up during the whole day. Benefits of tummy time. So let's break down the biggest benefits of tummy time. Strong muscles. Tummy time will strengthen the muscles in the neck, the back, the arms, the shoulders, and the front side. But it has a lot more benefits than that. Preventing flat spots. Tummy time is an excellent way to prevent flatness on your baby's head. If there is a little bit of flatness on your baby's head, tummy time will help a great deal to decompress and make the head round again. Tummy time also builds motor skills. Everything from reaching a toy, pivoting around, or scooting around on the floor. Basically, every single skill and milestone your baby reaches, they learned that from tummy time. It also boosts brain development. It trains your baby's vision, balance, and even problem solving. Tummy time also encourages sensory exploration. Your baby will be reaching and assessing new textures, will be looking around in the room, understanding depth better and better, and will be practicing different movements. Tummy time also promotes bonding time between you and your baby. So do chest to chest or tummy to tummy just to do something different. Or you can go down on the floor and be face to face with your baby to entertain them a little bit and have some bonding time on the floor. And last but not least, tummy time can actually help with reflux. When doing tummy time, you strengthen the closing muscles here in the esophagus, which helps keep the milk down in the stomach. Tummy time will also help if your baby has a lot of gases, Because of the pressure the tummy time will put on the stomach, and the movement will help the gases pass along. How to make tummy time fun. How's here to make tummy time more enjoyable? Because let's face it, not all babies enjoy tummy time in the beginning. Put your baby on a straight but inclined surface to help your baby do tummy time in an easier way. It can also be a rolled up towel to put under the arms, but don't make it too tall. When your baby is placed on the inclined surface, use your underarm to hold down on the butt. Now you have 2 hands free to help your baby place the arms more in front so they support in the most optimal way. Make it fun. Place some colorful toys and rattles in front of your baby. You can even try to put a small mirror. Babies love looking at faces. A good tip for making tummy time a little more fun and activating the head lifting reflex, try to do a little bit of somersaults or swinging around first, and then put your baby on tummy time. That's a super good combination of vestibular training and tummy time just afterwards. This makes it easier for your baby to lift their head. Try doing tummy time in different positions, on your chest, on your legs, on a pillow, just some different things to mix it up a little bit. Try to get down on the floor with your baby so you're face to face, just to do a little bit of bonding time and entertaining your baby so they can last longer on tummy time. If your baby starts complaining a little bit in tummy time, see if you can drag out the time just a little bit, just 10 seconds more. Everything helps. Of course, they should not be crying, only if they're complaining a little bit. And last but not least, keep sessions short. Give them some success. Let's talk about 4 common mistakes to avoid when doing tummy time. The first one is leaving your baby unattended while doing tummy time. Always keep an eye on your baby when you're training with them. The second mistake is forcing your baby to do tummy time when they're hungry, tired, or just fussy. Just don't do it. It's not gonna work out. Third mistake is to skip tummy time because of reflux. If you know your baby might be spitting up when you do tummy time, then wait a little bit, maybe 20 minutes after eating, then try tummy time on this inclined surface I mentioned before. They might be spitting up anyway, but it's super important that you don't skip tummy time because of that. In fact, tummy time might even help with reflux because it strengthens the closing muscles here in the esophagus. The fourth mistake is to do tummy time when your baby is sleeping. If it's on your chest, it's okay because they're supervised, but don't put your baby on the stomach when sleeping. Here are the most common questions I get in the clinic about tummy time. What if my baby absolutely hates tummy time? What you can do is remember to start small, make it easier for them to be on an inclined surface, and just do small sessions at a time. You have to start somewhere, and most babies get tired very fast in the beginning. If it really doesn't help and your baby is not progressing at all, I would recommend that you go and check with a healthcare provider. It could be a pediatric physiotherapist or it could be osteopathy to check if your baby has any tension or you need to train some specific muscles so it will be easier for your baby. Can I use a pillow? Yes, you can use a breastfeeding pillow, but I would try and use a harder surface so your baby supports in a better way. I like a rolled up towel under the arms, but I don't like a breastfeeding pillow because a breastfeeding pillow is very tall. Your baby will be swaying up and maybe using their back muscles a little too much, and the pillow will be very soft for them to be able to support properly on it. So rolled up towel or a little bit harder surface will be better. So what if my baby spits up? As I said before, it's really important that you don't skip tummy time because of spitting up. If it's necessary, you have to keep your baby upright for 20 to 30 minutes after eating and then try on an inclined surface. The more inclined, the better. How do I place the arms best? I heard that I have to put them under the baby to support best. So not quite. I would not put the arms all the way in under the baby. I would have them a little bit more out in front, like a small triangle. And then I would have the elbow in front of the shoulder. because a lot of babies are very strong on the backside and they tend to pull their arms back, and then they support very poorly because they will be tensing up in the shoulders at the same time. And the last question is it too late to start now? So it's never too late to start tummy time. I do see kids in the clinic who are 1 month old, 3 months old, 10 months old who have problems with tummy time. If they're around 4 or 5 months and up and they still hate tummy time, it might be because they have some tension. So do small steps at a time and get someone to take a look at your baby if they have tension. That will help a lot. It's never too late. They need the muscle buildup to reach the milestones later on. So here you have it. Everything you need to know about tummy time. It builds strength, it prevents flatness on your baby's head, it boosts brain development, and it's great bonding time for you and your baby together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a parent who might need it. And remember to subscribe if you want to hear more about baby physiotherapy, gentle parenting, and baby development. My name is Julie, the channel is Sansefys. See you in the next video. Bye!